So here's a look at the Scopito landing page. The circles that you see represent the inspections in that area. The number in the circles represent the number of inspections in that particular area. After uploading your images, you select the inspection project that you want to work on, and you would see all your images uploaded according to their geographic locations. In this example, we are selecting a photo of an asset, and we want to do some markup annotations. So we create a box issue and simply draw a box around the area of interest. Next, you go to the issue type, and from the drop-down, you select an issue based on the category of defect or anomaly. Then you go to the severity field, and from the drop-down, you select a severity level 1 to 5. Next, you can go to the remedy action field and enter free text on what your next action is going to be. You can assign a dollar value if you have an estimate for the repair cost. Next, on the comment section, you can write a short note to your collaborators. And finally, you hit create issue, and like that, you have your anomaly created.